Hi guys, Justin Terhune here with Anabadenko America, and thank you for tuning in for another tips and tricks install video. Now today's video, we are going to introduce you to Anabadenko America's SRV super lock system, okay? We'll demonstrate how easy it is to use, how it can save you a bundle of time, material, and money, and in true Anabadenko America fashion, make the job look much better at the end of the day, all right? Now, when you look at doing a commercial application, VRV, VRF, ductless job, this is what a standard line set run will look like, okay? We've got two sets of all thread coming down. We've got our unistrut at the bottom, and obviously we've got our nuts and washers top and bottom, right? We'll cut our all thread, we'll cut our unistrut, make sure everything's nice and level. If we've got communication wire run, we'll typically zip tie it to it, and we'll finish the install off with a U-style bolt, and then we'll put our nuts at the bottom there, okay? And it seems simple enough in theory, but if we take a look at Anabadenko America's SRV Superlock, I think you'll start to look at your ductless jobs just a little bit different. So let's take a look. Okay, now right off the bat, you could tell that our material list has diminished by a lot. We are left with two single pieces of all thread, and that's it. No additional fittings, no additional all thread, no unistruts, no extra nuts and washers and leveling and cutting, no U-clamps. This is all we need to work with our SRV Superlock system, okay? Now the SRV does come in 10 different sizes, so no matter your job size, pipe size, insulation size, there's gonna be an SRV to fit your install needs, okay? Now, looking at the back of the SRV, it's very simple to install. We've got an opening on one side at the bottom and on the other side at the top. Right here in the middle, this is your tension release lever, okay? So to install, we simply put the bottom on first, snap the top over, clamp it in place. We're done. We'll do the same thing on the other side, bottom, put the top in, clamp it in place, and that's secure. It's not going anywhere. As far as leveling, if we want to go up or down, push the tension release in. I can go up, right, and it's going to stay, or I can come down, and it's going to stay, all right? Another beautiful feature to this type of application is I now have the option, if I want to make sure that my suction line is on the bottom of this installation. It's going to keep that line set from sagging over time. We'll clamp our top clamps in place, and you can tell, it's a much better looking installation, and we saved a bundle of time not messing with all that extra material, all the extra nuts and bolts and unistrut. The SRV is all you need to finish your VRV, VRF, and ductless installs in a beautiful professional fashion, okay? Typically this is where I'd stop, but since we're here, if you found this product helpful, I want to show you two more things real quick. We'll pop the top off of this one. The first one is going to be our insulation protection plate, okay? This will fit all 10 sizes. It's fully universal, and it's got a small nipple at the bottom that will fit into any of the holes on your SRV. Since we're using a smaller SRV, we're going to just kind of fold this like a taco, stick it right in there, make sure that nipple lines up, and we've accomplished two things that quick. A, we've got additional support for our line set, and B, we're preventing any rub through on that insulation due to vibration over time, okay? Now we're ready to clamp it right in place, and we're set. Last thing I want to show you, and this is our cable hanger support, okay? This will clamp right in the top of all of your SRV, clamps right in place, and for your communication wire, we'll snap it right in and run it right down the side. No tape, no zip ties, really no eyesores. It's just a beautiful, professional, finished looking project, okay? As always, I highly encourage you, check out our full product offering at anabadenko-america.com. If you've got questions about the products, where to find them, how to use them, please reach out to us. No messages go unread. You can reach us on LinkedIn, Instagram. We'll be happy to respond to you. And as always, if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.